The good, the bad, and the ugly for owning a Deuce. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and walking back down to the garage. We're gonna move the big truck back up on the hill here, where hopefully next week I can use the truck as some shielding for my GoPro cameras, or my Action 3 and my Action 5 camera, to do some hyperlapses of the roof structure going up for the barn-dominium build. But today I wanted to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly for owning a Deuce. A few months back, I don't remember, I posted a video and man, it went crazy. 10 things why not to own a Deuce. And man, I hurt a lot of people's feelings or something. Gosh dang, everyone took it wrong. And I understand, you know, the title of the video, it's kind of how it was worded. And it was kind of its intention of wording. By no means did I mean that I didn't like the Deuce. And a lot of people, that's the way they took it. And, you know, I hate that because I love that truck. I needed a coat. It's a little cooler out here than I was thinking. Anyway, so the good, the bad, and the ugly for owning a Deuce and a half, aka the M35A2. The good, Shiraki, driving the Deuce.
Yeah, big truck, I drive.
Wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
It's my son's first time driving the Deuce.
Welcome, Birmingham. This is the crew, Robert Howard Veterans Home. They're from World War II, Korea, Vietnam. Give them a warm Birmingham welcome. Cheer for these veterans.
The good. This is what I love about this truck. This truck has been down here, I guess it's only been parked for a couple weeks. But this is the same condition it is all the time. I haven't pre-started this truck or anything, I assure you. Because right now I'm just hoping that it does what it does all the time. Push in the clutch. We turn that on. And she fires right off. Horn still blows. I love power steering. Power steering is a must. Woo-hoo-hoo! The bad.
We'll try to do this with one, well, try to not miss. Just gonna work your way around. Yeah. Gonna catch my breath now. The boot was busted. There it is, guys. Put this fender back on.
put my heater back together and get this bad boy back on the road where he belongs. So the ugly.
The Deuce is down.
And, you know, it was a learning process because I've never tore the heads off of one of these multi-fuel engines before. So, yeah, fun. Not. Thank everybody for all the YouTube videos. I use tactical repairs videos a lot. He is a very informative guy. He knows what he's talking about. I trust the videos that he put out. My videos are not as informative. I try to share, you know, what I've done and what I've learned in this process, and I will continue to do so to the best of my abilities. But I probably am not the go-to guy as far as a very informative video. So that's the good. I love the smiling faces, the laughing, the, you know, the just the cheering and all the compliments I get when I drive this down the road, and everyone, you know, says they love the truck. I love giving them a smile for the day. The bad, you know, you're going to have moments of sweat. The ugly, be prepared. You're going to end up in some major big repair. And if you're not going to do it yourself, it's going to be very costly. You know, I try to think about this truck every time I getting ready to take it out on the road, is this could be a hefty tow bill. So I do the best I can to make sure that the truck is not going to give me a big hefty tow bill, if you know what I mean. So that's all I got, and I hope you all like this video. I still am shooting for 1,000 subscribers. Let's help get me there. Share this video. Basically, I'm doing this so if anyone else out there is interested in owning a Deuce and they're wanting to make do changes, I'm wanting to do upgrades. I'm wanting to upgrade the gauges inside the truck so I can actually read them, especially at nighttime. I know there's ways of fixing what's in here, but I'm actually wanting to step it up because I want to keep the outside of the truck looking as original as it was intended to be, but I want the inside and everything that's hidden, you know, underneath the steel. I want it to be upgraded as today's standards. You know, I'm getting ready to be 55 years old, still a young pup, but I want to drive this into my 90s. I really do. And I'm going to keep making YouTube videos as long as I can. And I will be driving that Deuce doing it. So anyway, love each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.